This is one of the most tranquil places to be.
It's like coming into a different world. You got your own little piece of heaven once you come in the gate.
This is almost 20 years of my life. It's a lot of work. I wish I was 40 years younger and I wouldn't have to, give it up.
There's 135 acres. There's a total of 6 buildings, 11,000 square foot house. You have 2 ponds, which are fully stocked ponds. When the last load goes out the gate, it's going to be very emotional for a lot of folks.
I just want it to go to someone that's going to appreciate it, take it further than I can take it now.
Situations change. A woman has lost her husband and she's got farm equipment and guns and land that she needs to sell. She needs somebody to step in with knowledge and on how to market it and how to sell it, and is looking out for her best interest.
We provide a service to somebody in need. Sometimes it's not the best situation, but you connect with people.
When you're around them, you feel like you've known them for years. They're just down-to-earth people and they care about you.
Chip, to me, is the kind of fella, he treats you like he'd like to be treated. He looks at it as a new beginning on everything.
He knows what I would like for this place, and he's going to help me find that right person.